Alright, so the next section that I want to give you a little bit of overview of is section 11 of the IEP document, which is least restrictive environment. The first question in this section is a yes or no question, and it is, does this child attend the school he or she would attend if not disabled? So basically this question is asking, is the student attending the school and receiving services in the school of their district of residence? And then you check yes or no. If the answer is no, then the school has to provide reasons why they are justifying their decision to not provide services for the student in the district that they are a resident of. The next question is also a yes or no question, and that is, does this child receive all special education services with non-disabled peers? So are they receiving instruction and services within the Gen Ed classroom, or are they being taken out of the Gen Ed classroom and receiving services? And then if the answer is no, then they also have to provide reasons that justify why is this child receiving special ed services that in a different place or environment than their non-disabled peers. So that is section 11.